Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about periodic functions of a Laplace transform. L of f of t is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus as integral 0 to a e power st f of t dt. Let us solve a problem and we can know how to solve periodic functions of Laplace transform. Consider this problem. Find the Laplace transform of f of t, that is for the interval 0 to b, your function will be e, and for the interval b to 2b your function will be minus e. Look at the question. There is no word periodic function in the question. There is simply given find the Laplace transform of f of t. How can we know whether we have to use periodic function formula or not? Look into the intervals. If we have the interval something 0 to b or 0 to a or something interval, if there is an interval given in the question, then you can fix the problem is dealing with periodic functions. Let us go into the solution. First you have to write the Laplace transform function, that is L of f of t, which is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus as integral 0 to a e power minus st f of t dt. Now we are going to substitute the interval in this formula. L of f of t is equal to 1 by e power minus as. See, here a is the interval and f of t is the function which is given here. This is f of t and a is your interval, L of f of t. 1 minus e power minus a. In the place of a, we have to write the highermost interval, which is here 2b is the interval, and I am writing the s as it is here, integral 0 to a. In the place of a, we have to write 2b e power minus st f of t dt. That is e and minus e will come. So I am writing here simply f of t dt. We can substitute e and minus e in the next step. In the next step, we are going to separate this integral and write 1 by e power minus 2bs, open and common bracket, integral 0 to b. For the integral 0 to b, e power minus st. For the integral 0 to b, the function is e. So I am writing e into the same dt plus integral, the next integral b to 2b, b to 2b e power minus st, e power minus st. For the intervals b to 2b, the function is minus e. So minus e into dt. Now we are closing the bracket which I have opened. In the next step, we are going to integrate both of this. Equal to 1 by e power minus, sorry, there is 1 minus, it's left out here. I am writing 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2bs. Now we are going to integrate this. Open the common bracket, e power minus st. Integration of e power minus st. Integration of e power minus at into dt will be e power minus at divided by minus a. In the place of a, we have s. So we are going to, and e is a constant. So keep e as it is. Next, e power minus st by minus s. Write the intervals 0 to b. Here is a minus sign in e, so I am writing minus e into, integrating e power minus st, we will get e power minus st by minus s. The interval for this is b to 2b, b to 2b. In the next step, we are going to substitute the intervals values inside this. 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2bs. Before substituting the intervals, we can take the common terms outside. Look at here, both of this term have E and S as common, which are constants. So we can take it outside it. E by S, e power minus st. Here is a minus sign, so I am writing it here. Interval 0 to b. This minus and minus becomes plus. E power minus st b to 2b. Now close the e by s into 1 minus e power minus 2bs. Apply this interval values. Minus of e power in the place of t minus bs minus e power 0 plus e power minus, applying the upper limit, 2bs minus, apply the lower limit in the place of t, e power minus bs. Now close it. E by s into 1 minus e power minus 2bs minus e power minus bs. E power 0 will be 1. So minus into minus we get plus 1 plus e power minus 2bs minus e power minus bs. This minus e power minus bs and minus e power minus bs becomes minus 2 e power bs. We are going to write it in next step. E by s into 1 minus e power minus 2bs 1 plus e power minus 2bs minus 2 e power minus bs. This is of the form a minus b the whole square. And this is of the form a minus b the whole square. In the next step we are going to write it that s into 1 minus e power minus 2bs into 1 minus e power minus bs the whole square. In the next step we are going to simplify. This is of the form a square minus b square. So we can write this step as a, this term 1 minus e power minus 2bs is of the form a square minus b square. So this can be written as a plus b into a minus b. We are going to write in the next step L of f of t, which is equal to e by s into 1 minus e power minus 2bs. I am writing the last step here as it is there. 1 minus e power minus bs the whole square. The next step we are going to write this step as a plus b into a minus b. That is e by s into, in the place of a you have 1, in the place of b you have e power bs minus bs, e power minus bs into 1 minus e power minus bs. Already there is 1 minus e power minus bs the whole square. Now we can cancel 1 minus e power minus bs and 1 minus e power minus bs. E by s into 1 minus e power minus bs divided by 1 plus e power minus bs. Now multiply and divide by e power bs by 2. bs by 2. E by s in s into e power, multiply e power bs by 2 inside this bracket, e power bs by 2 minus e power minus bs into e power bs by 2 divided by 1 into e power bs by 2 will be e power bs by 2 plus e power minus bs into e power bs by 2. In this place the powers are in the form of multiplication, so we have to add by the power rule. E power m into e power n will be e power m plus n. So we are applying this power rule here. Minus, I am just taking the powers around here, minus bs plus bs by 2. we cannot add it directly because in the denominator you have 2 here and here is the denominator is 1, so we have to take LCM. Minus 2bs plus bs by 2. So this becomes minus bs by 2. Now we have to write this here. E by s into e power bs by 2 minus e power minus bs by 2 divided by e power bs by 2 plus powers are same as here in the numerator, so we are writing the same value, e power minus bs by 2. We know sin hx is equal to e power x minus e power minus x by 2. So in the place of x you have bs by 2. This e power bs by 2 minus e power minus bs by 2 is of the form this one. We are substituting sin hx in the place here. E by s into sin hx. In the place of x you have bs by 2. In the denominator you have 2. So we are bringing it to that side, so we will get 2 sin hx divided by e power cos hx will be equal to e power x plus e power minus x by 2. So we are substituting here, and this is of the form e power x plus e power minus x. So we are substituting cos x in the place of this one. 2 cos hx, in the place of x you have bs by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Sin divided by cos you will get tan. So e by s tan h bs by 2. This is your answer. And this is that Laplace transform of the function given in your question. Thank you. Hope you have understood.